Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving this watering can a makeover. It was from my son and daughter-in-law's wedding a few years back. It was part of a centerpiece in the table. It had flowers in it and I've had that sitting in my home for a while. I found it the other day and I thought I'd give it a makeover. So I just gave it a good clean first, make sure there was no grease or anything like that on it. And then I took it out to my garage and gave it a good coat of zinsser B.I.N primer. And just make sure you do every piece that you can see there, and then just let it dry completely before you do anything else with it. You could use any primer that will stick to steel. So I have this leftover paint, it's Fusion mineral paint, and the colour is Champlain. You could use any other acrylic paint that you have lying around. Doesn't have to be anything special, just whatever you have. So I went ahead and gave that 2 coats, letting it dry completely in between each coat. So I have a few transfers that I could use. There's a few that I had left over from other projects. These are the ones that I'm using. This one here is Vintage Labels by Redesign. Did have some of these butterflies, but I'm not using those. And I'm also going to use this one here. It's French Ceramics by Redesign. So I'm just looking to find the smallest flowers that are on there, so I can put quite a few on the can without it smothering the whole can. Just go ahead and cut out the little pieces that you want. This colour blue is going to go really well with the mineral paint, Fusion mineral paint champagne that I used. Before the can was completely dry, I just got my nail and I just scraped off a little bit of paint here and there where you'd see normal wear and tear, just to give it that old look, the old worn look. Don't know if you can see up close there, just where I've scratched it off there. Don't want to do too much, but just a little bit here and there. So now I've just got to decide where to put my transfers. I'm going to put the blue ones on first, and then I will put those vintage labels last. So just pop those on, peel the backing off, put it on, press it firmly with your hands, and then just use your tool to press down firmly to make sure it adheres properly. Just pull away gently, and if it's still sticking, put it back on and rub it again. After you've peeled the plastic away, just use your fingers and make sure it's stuck down properly. Look for any bubbles or creases and just press it down firmly. So that blue is looking really nice against that champlain paint colour, and these are the labels that I'm putting over top. So you can put transfers over transfers as well. You can see there where it's stuck, so I have to put it back down and re-rub it. And there we have it, voila, first label on. I'm going to be using two, one on each side of the can. Sometimes it takes quite a while to decide where to put your transfers. Just play around until you're happy with the look you're after. Sometimes I just use my nail rather than the tool. It's easier to get into any bumps or creases. Works well if you have good strong nails. And amongst those blue flowers there was also script writing, so I just cut out some pieces and placed them here and there. Also just using my nail on that one. Last label going on now. And there we have it. Just add a few more pieces, I think. Being careful not to overdo it though. If you like this and you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. Last step is to just give it a coat with some clear coat. I just use this Rust-Oleum chalked matte clear because I don't want it to be glossy. Just need a protective coat over top of the transfers. There you have it. What do you think? Beautiful compared to what it looked like before. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.